Have you ever wondered how 300 metric tons of pink Himalayan salt make their way from Pakistan's ancient mines to your table? This unusual pink salt, which comes from the Khyra region of Pakistan and is rich in 84 minerals, is well known around the world for its many uses and health advantages. Come along as we examine the intriguing method used to create Himalayan pink salt. The process of producing Himalayan salt starts with the mining of salt rocks from high-grade areas. Extreme care is taken to choose only the best rocks, with a focus on their purity and mineral concentration. The use of geological expertise in the process of choosing rocks is crucial since it directly affects the final product's flavor, color, and nutritional value. Specialized vehicles enter the caves of the mining locations to retrieve the best mineral-rich specimens for the shipment of mined Himalayan salt rocks. In certain situations, the employment of a train truck system additionally improves logistics for efficient delivery in terms of both time and money. These pebbles are now prepared for an exciting journey to become highly sought-after items made from Himalayan salt. The production giant is essential to supplying the rising demand for Himalayan salt around the world. When the potent salt rocks arrive at the production plant, they are heaped up and prepared for the selection procedure, which makes sure that only the best salt rocks move on along the production line. The salt rocks are processed in a contained space that has conveyors and automated washing and drying equipment. This keeps the salt clean and preserves its excellent quality by guaranteeing the removal of any alien material that may have accompanied them from the mines. Himalayan salt rocks go through a rigorous process to guarantee purity and quality after the original collection. They are first dried in a hidden room to remove extra moisture and keep the right amount of moisture in them. The rocks are then pulverized into fine grains that can be used in cooking. Then, to ensure a consistent result, grading equipment are used to sift the grains and remove any unwanted sizes. A cutting-edge optical color sorting machine is incorporated into the production process to improve quality control even more. By carefully removing undesired grains and contaminants, this state-of-the-art technique guarantees that every batch of Himalayan salt satisfies the strictest requirements for uniformity and cleanliness. Producers can meet the discriminating tastes of customers throughout the world by preserving the exclusivity and superior quality of Himalayan table salt by using cutting-edge gear. Every stage of the production process is carried out with care and accuracy, from harvesting to packaging. Because of this commitment to excellence, Himalayan salt continues to be regarded as a high-end culinary product that both chefs and food aficionados adore. Modern technology combined with age-old harvesting techniques produces a product that satisfies today's exacting culinary standards while maintaining the inherent purity of Himalayan salt. The Himalayan salt products are packaged by sealing them inside safe, airtight containers to keep off impurities and environmental influences. Because Himalayan salt is sensitive to outside influences, care is taken when selecting the container materials. This frequently entails the use of materials such as premium glass or plastic containers that are airtight and act as efficient barriers against pollutants and moisture. Himalayan salt is packaged differently for wholesale distribution in order to accommodate bigger quantities for bulk shipments and wholesale applications. Strong, long-lasting bags composed of materials like woven polypropylene are frequently used in packaging. These bags were selected because of their durability and capacity to support heavier salt loads. Skilled professionals painstakingly cut and shape the salt rocks with massive revolving blades to create the unique shapes of salt lamps. To create the desired form for the lamps, the large blades must be used with precision and experience as they cut through the unyielding salt rocks. Even if the procedure is complex, care must be taken because of the size and strength of the cutting tools. Strong diamond-tipped drill bits, carefully selected to pierce the dense structure of Himalayan salt rocks, are fitted to the drill machines used in this procedure. The salt rocks are shaped into intriguing and distinctive shapes with the use of additional specialized revolving blades. With the use of these blades, skilled sculptors may create complex patterns, curves, and textures out of the salt rocks. The risk involved in using these large, powerful instruments emphasizes how crucial it is to have knowledgeable experts supervise the cutting procedure. These artisans' skill guarantees not only the security of the manufacturing process, but also the fabrication of exquisite Himalayan salt lamps that enthrall customers with their unusual shapes and calming, warm glow. Skilled artisans are tasked with refining and standardizing the size of the salt rocks after they have been initially chopped or shaped by specialized equipment. These artisans carefully apply their skill and precision when using hammers to guarantee that every salt rock is the same size and shape. To attain uniformity, each rock is expertly and meticulously pounded, guaranteeing that the finished product keeps its coherence and attractive appearance. The salt rocks are polished to bring forth their inherent shine after the size uniformity stage. This stage smooths the surface of the rocks and enhances the final product's aesthetic appeal, resulting in a visually appealing appealing and tactile finish. The artisans put in great effort to ensure that every salt stone is flawlessly polished, highlighting its innate beauty and grace. After polishing is finished, the artisans carefully insert the lighting components into the hollowed-out center of each salt rock. Careful attention to detail is necessary during this painstaking process to guarantee that the components are placed securely. The artisans ensure that every lamp is put together to the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship by working precisely. A vital quality check is carried out after the assembly procedure to guarantee that every lamp satisfies the exacting requirements specified by the manufacturer. Each lamp is painstakingly inspected by artisans, who check that the lighting components are positioned correctly and that the lamp operates as intended. All inconsistencies or flaws are fixed right away, guaranteeing that only perfect lamps reach the packing step. After being designed and completed, the Himalayan salt lamps go through an important stage in the manufacturing process called packing. To guarantee that the fragile bulbs are shielded from potential harm during handling and shipment, this stage is crucial. The packaging materials are carefully selected, keeping in mind the lamp's special qualities and the requirement to protect them from the weather. To offer sufficient protection, strong, long-lasting materials like cardboard boxes, foam inserts, and bubble wrap are frequently used. The lamps are protected from potential collisions and rough treatment during shipment by the materials chosen because of their capacity to absorb shocks and vibrations. In addition, the container design is specifically made to securely suit the lamp's unique form and size, reducing the possibility of movement and possible damage. Every light is positioned precisely inside its allotted container to guarantee a tight fit that avoids moving or rattling while being transported. Not only does each product have protective packaging, but labels are attached to the outside to give customers important information. These labels usually contain information about the product, such as the size, weight, and color variation of the lamp, so that buyers may make well-informed judgments. To extend the lamp's life and guarantee optimum performance, maintenance instructions are also provided. These instructions cover how to maintain and take care of the light. Additionally, a list of safety precautions might be included to notify customers of any possible risks connected to the product. The Himalayan salt lamps are prepared for distribution through a variety of ways to reach a broad market once they have been packaged and labeled. Big distributors are essential to this process because they act as a bridge between the manufacturing plant and retail stores, spas, and internet sites. By utilizing their vast networks and logistical skills, these distributors make sure that lamps are efficiently delivered to their intended locations, reaching a wide range of clients across the globe. As Himalayan salt continues to impress chefs and consumers for its unique taste and versatility, its production remains a dedicated process. From selecting the right salt rocks to crafting salt lamps, every stage reflects a commitment to quality and respect for nature's gifts.